Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am making rice pudding. First add 2.5 liters of milk to a pan and bring it to a boil. Next, add 3/4 of a cup of rice. This has to be soaked for at least half an hour before, and make sure you crush it before adding it. Cook the rice and milk for half an hour on medium flame. Now add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cardamom powder, one teaspoon of kewra water. Now I'm adding half a cup of sugar. You can add more or less. Now cook again for half an hour on low flame. Now add 1 cup of single cream. Finally, add any dry fruits or nuts you like and cook for 15 minutes. Your rice pudding is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment down below what would you like to see in my next video.